Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Confirm your device supports voice control and has the latest OS. Once that is done, enable the microphone and grant permissions to the voice app so it can listen consistently. Make sure to pick a clear wake word or a convenient hotkey. This reduces false triggers. Then run a quick mic level test at normal speaking volume. This first run-through gets you into the system fast and establishes reliable input for the more detailed setup ahead. Now you focus on the core configuration. Train the voice model by speaking phrases multiple times in different tones and distances so recognition learns your patterns. Next, map clear, short commands to the actions you use most, and group similar tasks to avoid overlaps. Make sure to tweak sensitivity and enable noise suppression to reduce background triggers. If available, select the dialect or language pack that matches your speech. These steps improve accuracy and make everyday voice control feel natural, and finish by running end-to-end tests that mirror real workflows so you catch sequence or timing issues before routine use. Once satisfied, back up your settings and ensure automatic updates are enabled for models and security. If something fails, first check the microphone hardware and app permissions, then reduce ambient noise and retrain any commands that consistently misfire. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the audio service and rerun the training. This often clears recognition cache and restores expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.